I'm gonna tongue your asshole, bitch!
This is how you know he's on crack.
What?
You fucked up.
Yes.
I see a beached whale.
You see a beached whale?
Yes.
I ain't no whale, I'm Shamu.
My hair looks disgusting. Alright.
Shamu's still a whale, you fucking idiot.
Hump the wall.
Hump the wall.
Hump the wall.
Hump the wall. The whale went into the water.
I got this.
Only whales can pull that off.
I got it.
God, no.
Caveman Joe.
God. Oh, God. I almost died.
You jumping in now?
Yes.
Do that run and jump.
Here, I call this the running man.
That's not even running.
Exactly, but I'll go back. I'm about to walk on water.
But you're not. Christ.
Wasn't even close.
I jumped pretty far from doing that, though.
You did indeed.
Here we go, you ready?
What are you gonna do, the running man?
No.
Oh, Jesus. So what's wrong with you?
Do it.
Oh, my turn.
You better stop! Oh my god.
My turn.
Did I hit it?
My turn.
Did I hit it?
My turn.
You didn't even flip.
I think that was a flip.
The Downey did his first flip.
Try to flip. Are you dying, Joseph? What's wrong with you?
got us.
You look
Don't
like
die.
a whale
Let's just get the river
on shore.
Your sunburn is terrible.
A whale just washed up on shore.
Beached whale.
Beach whale. Why are you kicking me, bro?
Get back in there.
I ain't getting back in
Get
the
back
water.
in there.
Why you want me to get back in the water?
Because you're a whale. Whales are not
Stay where
supposed
you
to be beached.
Why?
Just do it.
Okay, fine. I'm a beached whale. I'm supposed to be this way.
Don't die.
I'm not dying. I can breathe the air.
Don't die.
Why are you putting your flip-flop on my stomach?
Shut up.
Okay. Hey, make sure you watch out for my beauty spot right around here.
Shut up.
Take your pills. He forgot to take his pills.
What pills would he be taking?
I don't know. What kind of pills do you take, Joseph?
Good answer.
This time. See this sweet ass right here? I'm about to make it all the way from over there. This is Miguel Phelps' first attempt at swimming. I am the fat version of Miguel Phelps.
Are you sure about that?
Boy, if you don't get... Where else would I go?
Hey, boy, you know this section for the kiddies, right?
Yeah.
I mean, look at all that shit. That's all kids.
This is a scene from Shark Tales when the whales get a wash. Working at the car wash.
Working at the car wash, yeah.
You having trouble?
Whale walks up on shore. A shore whale. Where's Alyssa?
She's right there. Where is she?
Hi, Alyssa.
Oh.
I can't move.
You brought that on yourself.
Yes, I know.
Beached whale.
I'm like that one guy from Bedtime Story. Oh yeah, you keep me in stomach in order to get water out of my mouth. What?
What? Hi. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Henry!
You enjoying that shower, boy? You said this pool looks like a penis from above, so technically you getting that golden shower. You fucked up. That way is left and the other way is right.
Can't see your hands, dumbass.
I wasn't moving my hands.
Stop, this is how you do it.
Can I help you?
Hey guys, love games?
Hey, love games?
The water's in
Love
my
games?
eye.
Playing a
Motherfucking love games!
Man, you're looking at the grouch over there. You doing good, okay, buddy?
Tristan,
Yeah.
you gotta take a page out of my book.
How?
Drink it.
I'll drink it.
How'd that taste?
Salty.
But this is a pool.
Chlorine flavored.
That's more like it.
Okay.
Drink it.
Stop touching my balls. No! It's weird. Stop touching my balls. I'm the MTV crib, and this is my crib. It's pretty shitty, but you'll get used to it. This is my bathtub. Doesn't currently using my bathtub work. I didn't tell him
dead.
to use my bathtub, but he's using my bathtub. I take showers twice a day.
Wait then, what is this?
That's just my goal.
Oh my god, I feel it. I feel it. Ah!
It's my floating ants.
Now they both dead. That's a nice battle scar you got there. Tell the people how you got that battle scar.
Send me the video.
Why, thank you. It was quite simple. The boogeyman got me, sliced my foot open with an axe, and tried to stuff it with candy. It failed inevitably because I got rushed to the hospital. They tried to rape me.
And then you got a kidney stone.
Then I got a kidney stone right up in my ass. It hurt like a bitch. But you know what? We shot it out. You know, like when people about to bust that gut. You know.
Oh, that shit hurts.
Bitch,
Bro.
get out the way. I want to try some
Same.
Bitch, get out
That
the way.
literally hit my balls, bro.
What are you trying to do?
You hurt yourself there?
No, but I almost fell. Alright, now it's time for the steeper one.
The steeper? What? Oh.
Yeah, the one that looks like it's about to rip the asshole in two. Stop showing off, Hercules.